name is Ainur Ashikin. My register number 07DTP21F2007.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Iqbal bin Ramzi. My matrix number is 07DTP21F2002.
What is ergonomics? Ergonomics can broadly be defined as the study of people in their working environment. More specifically, an ergonomist pronounced like ergonomist designs or modifies the work to fit the worker, not the other way around. The goal is to eliminate discomfort and risk of injury due to work. In other words, the employee is our first priority in analyzing a workstation. Ergonomics in restaurant. Restaurant work is fast-paced, often done in areas with limited space, and frequently performed by young workers. All ingredients for workplace injuries in addition to injuries such as burns and cuts. Restaurant workers frequently experience strain and sprain type injuries from repetitive motions, awkward and static posture, and excessive force. Level of workplace environment. Restaurant environments are generally fast-paced and require the utmost efficiency. This is because customer service and the success of the restaurant are heavily built around the flow with which a restaurant operates. Customer placing orders being fulfilled and then delivered to the customer. Tips and resources for preventing this type of injuries. Serving, busing. Reduce tray carrying as much as possible. Use cart if there is enough room between tables and get help when serving large parties. Use both hands to carry large, heavy items like water jugs or coffee urns. Kitchen stuff. Keep knife sharp to reduce the force required to cut food. If work surface of varying height are available, work at comfortable height for the task. If standing for long periods of time, shift your weight and change position often. Put one foot up about 6 inches. If available, use a stool to sit down. OSHA rules and regulations for restaurants. Restaurants are subject to the same standard as factories and others work environment. Though the implications might differ, OSHA provides specific rules and regulations that restaurants owners must adhere to keep their workforce free of serious recognized hazards. According to the OSHA Act, this includes
Present about creating and maintaining a safe workplace. Number 1 is create a safety commit and hold monthly safety meeting. Establish a workplace health and safety commit made up of workers from different departments, from senior management to shop floor based employees. Number 2, provide visual safety aids and message. Use color, code, poster, label, and sign to warn employees of potential hazard. Make safety fun. While safety is no game, one way to help incorporate safety into company culture is to make learning about safety fun. Number 4, make sure all workers are properly trained. The organization must provide all workers with safety training using language they can understand. Number 5, eliminate potential hazard. If the worker free from recognized physical and chemical hazards, and make sure it is in compliance with OSHA standard, rule and regulation. And the last one is ensure workers have the proper equipment. Make sure employees have and use safe tools and equipment and properly maintain the equipment. Next, I will continue my present with recommended improvement. Number 1 is invest in the train your employees. Ensuring your staff in train correctly will go a long way it comes to running a smooth operation. Track employees' performance with your point of sale system. Continuously update training procedure. Hold monthly staff meeting and training seminar. Number 2, promote fire safety. According to safety service company, knowledge of how to appropriately fire engagement and suppression material is imperative. And the last one is use technology for better restaurant service. The use of technology is increased manifold in all industry alike and in its digital age, and with so many new restaurant opening, the restaurant industry is getting competitive at each step.